Hello everybody, I'm Frank. How are you? Today I want to talk about raw Indian hair. Today I got a message and the customer inquiry for Indian hair wig. And she sent me a picture. In the picture you can see how the hair looks like. She told me that looks like raw Indian hair. And she asked me, do you have deep wave hair? And I think my deep wave hair this week. And she said this hair looks processed. I asked her, have you ever been to India? She said no. And I asked her, have you ever been to China factory tour? She said no. So I sent some pictures and videos of Indian hair, the source. But she said she's nervous. Okay, I will show you how the Indian material looks like. And all the hair I sell in China and in my factory, all the hair like body wave, deep curly, kinky curl, kinky straight, all this hair, it is, we made it, these styles, it's not natural. Okay, I will show you how the Indian hair looks like we import from India.
এগুলো কমপ্লিট হয়ে যাবে না দিদির 27 বেজে যাদের দুই জনের উপর মহিলা সমস্যা উঠে যাচ্ছে সেই মহিলাটা তো প্রয়োজন আছে না ভিতরে অফিসে কে
Okay, for more information, please go through my YouTube channel and to check how we make it body wave, deep curl, kinky curl, afro curl, and kinky straight. And also for more knowledge about hair business, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will share more videos about hair, about factory, about lace wigs. Thank you very much.